Gianna alum at Convincing Crypto, where we keep you in the loop on all the latest trends and news on crypto blockchain technology. Today, I have some super duper huge news for the Cardano community and anyone interested in AI, artificial intelligence. Something huge just happened. As always though, this video is not an endorsement for your project on Cardano in any way. Please do your own research before investing in anything. Alright, let's dive into the news today. Here's the tweet. Patrick Tobler, the founder and CEO of NMKR, tweeted, "We are live. Sokosumi, our AI agent marketplace, is now available to everyone. Think Fiverr, but for AI agents. Sign up, select agent, click on hire, and boom." So what exactly is an agent marketplace? Sokosumi is an agent marketplace we've been building together with Service Plan Group, one of Europe's largest media agencies. On Sokosumi, you'll be able to hire their agents and many others. Anyone can make their agent available on the marketplace. In the background, Sokosumi uses the Masumi network, our agent payment protocol on Cardano. Every agent purchase results in at least 2 Cardano mainnet transactions using stablecoins like USDM official. The cool thing is, it's framework agnostic. The agents themselves are run on Sokosumi, our agent runtime environment. Most of our agents are built on Crew AI Inc., but it's completely framework agnostic. Anyone can build agents with whatever technology they want, host them wherever they want, connect them with Masumi, and get them listed on Sokosumi. They claim to already be more powerful than ChatGPT. According to Patrick, the first few agents are powerful helpers that already offer more than you'd get by simply asking ChatGPT. For example, Service Plan's Satiza agent gets data directly from Satiza, giving you a more powerful data source directly available. I find it fascinating and a little bit spooky that they're building an economy just for AI agents. We see these agents as building blocks that can be hired not only by humans, but also by other agents. Everything we're building is made so that we're in the perfect position to enable the agent-to-agent economy of the future. I'm curious to hear your thoughts, whether or not you'd actually want to try it out for yourself. If you actually end up trying it, you actually get credits for up to $100. Patrick stated, "We are giving away $100 worth of credits for each sign up right now. So please register today, get your credits, and try some agents at sokosumi.com. I'm curious to hear your thoughts. Do you think this is good or bad for Cardano? And what are your thoughts on AI agents? Do you think it's the future? Or do you think this could be harmful for society? If you enjoyed this content and have any women in your life who want to learn about crypto, I have a special course for them. It's called Crypto Confidence for the Working Woman. Right now, my data shows that 97% of my viewers are men, and that's gotta change. I want crypto to be for everybody, so this course is specifically for women. Eventually it might expand, but I want more and more people to get onboarded onto Cardano and learn the benefits of it. So if you have anybody in your life who is a woman and wants to learn about crypto, send them my way. Right now the course is only $27. And as always, if you see any crypto scams in the comments or in the ads, please report them. There's so many fake airdrops, fake giveaways, and people pretending to be financial advisors, and we've got to make sure everybody in the crypto community remains safe. That's it for us today. Feel free to like, subscribe, comment your thoughts. Feel free to share this with your friends with this content, and I'll see you next time, everyone. Bye!